How to use Airtable for content calendar management. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can use Airtable for content calendar management. Using Airtable for content calendar management is a great way to organize your editorial plans and production schedules. Alright, and here is a quick guide to get it started. The first step is to create a calendar template. Okay, and then how can you do this? Now after logging into your Airtable account, move to the right side, click on templates, and then you can see content calendar. So just straight up click on it. After clicking on it, you'll see the option adding template. So the next step is to just wait patiently for it to load. So once it has loaded, you can see the content calendars page, you can see the templates, you can see that many of the things has been done for you. So you can just go ahead and customize this to fit you. And then once you're on this page, the next step is to click on views, and then you can see the what kind of views are available. And the next step is to link your records. In the content table, you have to create a linked field to connect each piece of content to its respective author in the authors table. Okay, so to do this, move to the left side of the screen and then click see all your content in one place. So once you click on that, you can see this page. So just move this to the last part and then click on this plus icon here. So after clicking on the plus icon here, the next thing is to create a linked field. All right, and then to do that, after clicking on the plus icon in this field, just click link to another record, and then to link to another record, you'll be linking it the author's um to the authors page. And since there are no authors page yet, you can just click create a new table, and then the name of the table you would name it as authors list, or any name you desire those ask to be authors, and then click on create field, and then just like that, the link the this particular record will be linked to the authors list here. So once it has been linked and that has been sorted, the next thing is to add and customize your views. All right, so we move to the left side, and then you can see different views like grid, calendar, etc. So you can just tailor your calendar views to fit your team's need. So you can use grid, you can use calendar, you can use Kanban, timeline list, etc. And the last step is to collaborate and update. For an effective content calendar, you'd have to collaborate with your team members if you have one. And to collaborate, go to the top right side of the screen, click on the share button, and then this box will be displayed. Just go ahead, invite your collaborators by their emails. Once they have accepted the emails, they will be added as collaborators on the base. So this is how it works. This is how you can effectively carry this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.